How to build an AI MVP. Building an AI MVP doesn't mean adding ChatGPT style chatbot to your product. That is AI MVP. AI MVP really means identifying one specific problem, defining where AI can actually help, and testing whether users trust the AI output enough to use. If you're building an AI product, this is really very important. First thing, what is an AI MVP? AI MVP MVP means minimum valuable product. An AI MVP means the smallest useful version of an AI product that solves one real user problem. Not a full AI platform, not 10 AI features, not AI assistant for everything. A good AI MVP answers three basic questions. What input will the user give? What output will AI generate? And what will the user do with that output? If these three things are not clear, the product is not clear. First thing to remember, start with workflow, not AI. The first mistake founders make is asking, how can we add AI to this platform? This is the wrong question. The right question should be, what task is the user doing manually again and again? And AI is useful when it saves time, reduce manual effort, improve decision making, makes data easier to understand, automate repetitive work. For example, a sales team manually writes notes after every call. AI MVP uploads the call transcript. AI creates a summary. AI extract follow-up task, and AI suggests the next action. That is clear AI workflow. Now, secondly, define the input clearly. In an AI product, input is extremely important. AI can only generate useful output when the input is clear. What will the user provide? Text, PDF, Excel sheet, image, audio, consumer query, CRM data, invoice, resume, or it could be a legal document. Now, understanding it through an example, if you are building a HR AI tool, the input should not be vague. Candidate data, it should be specific, resume in PDF form, job description, required skills, plus experience range. Better inputs create better AI output. Garbage input creates garbage output. Third thing to be remind, Third thing to be remember is define the output format. In an AI MVP, the output should not be random. If AI gives a paragraph once, bullet points next time, a long essay another time, and a short answer later, user will not trust it. Keep the output format fixed. Example: resume screening, candidate score 78 out of 100, skill match React, Node.js, MongoDB, skills missing AWS, Docker, experience fit good, recommendations shorted for next round. Example for meeting notes, summary, decision, action items, owner, deadline. Structured output makes the AI product feel reliable. Fourth thing, keep human approval in version 1. In an AI MVP, it is smarter to keep human approval before full automation. AI can be useful, but it is not always perfect. For example, AI suggests a customer support reply, but the support team approves and send it. AI shortlists resume, but HR makes the final decision. AI summarizes a legal document, but lawyer reviews it. In early stage AI products, trust is more important than automation. Full automation can come later after the output quality is proven. Fifth would be measure accuracy. In a normal app, a bug can be broken button. In an AI product, a bug can be a wrong answer. That is why UI testing is not enough for an AI MVP. You must test the AI output. What should be checked? Is the answer correct? Is the answer useful? Is the answer consistent? Is the answer AI hallucinating or not? Is it exposing confidential data? Is it giving wrong confidence to the user? The trust of an AI product is built through output quality, not just UI. Sixth thing would be add a feedback loop where users are able to give feedback. A feedback loop is mandatory in an AI MVP. Give users options like useful, not useful, regenerate, edit, wrong output, report issues. This feedback helps you understand, do prompts need improvement? Is the input data poor? Should the output format change? Does the user need more control? Is the AI use case strong enough or not? The purpose of an AI MVP is not just launch. The purpose is learning. Seventh thing would be understand AI cost. Every AI request can have a cost. In normal software, server cost can be predictable, but in AI product, you may have to check for token cost, API cost, storage cost, embedding cost, vector database cost, image or audio processing cost. If you do not calculate post per calculation or cost per user, the product can become expensive and it as it scales. Founders should know what is the average cost of one AI request, how many requests will one user make per month, What will be the free usage limit? Will the paid plan be profitable? This is known as unit economics, which is very important for AI products. Last thing would be, don't build an AI agent first. Everyone wants to build AI agent right now, but an AI agent is not always the right starting point for an MVP. An AI agent performs multiple actions. It reads data, it makes decision calls tools, performs actions, update records. That increases both complexity and risk as well. For an AI MVP, first validate a simple workflow, input, AI processing, output, then human feedback. Once this works, automation and agents can come later on. Now we will take an example, good AI MVP example for HR's resume upload, JD match score, shortlist recommendations. For sales, call transcript, summary, follow up, email draft. For legal, contract upload, key clauses, risk highlights. For customer support, customer query, suggest reply, human approval. For operations, Excel upload, error detection, clean report. For content team, brief input, caption options, edit and approve. All of these are specific. That is why they can become strong AI MVPs. Lastly, always check for a AI MVP checklist. Before building an AI MVP, answer these questions from yourself. What exact problem are we solving? Who is the user? What inputs will the user provide? What output will AI generate? Is the output useful enough? Will AI suggest or decide? Where will human approval happen? How will user give feedback? How will accuracy be tested? How cost per AI request is calculated? What data privacy risk exist? And what is not part of version 1? So founders, remember, the goal of an AI MVP is not to choose AI first. The goal is to make a real workflow fast, easier, and clearly usable for founders, for users. Don't build AI for hype. Build AI for workflow. Start with one use case, keep the output structured, add human approval, measure accuracy, understand cost, then scale. If you want to have an AI MVP checklist before building your product, comment AI MVP with your email ID, and I will be the first person to share you that. For more such content, follow me and subscribe.